Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got an exciting topic to dive into. In this video, I'll explain how I managed to spoof my location in one of the famous live tracking apps, life360. And whatever I did, it led to this. For those of you who don't know about Life360, Life360 is a location tracking app that helps you stay connected with your friends and family. You can also see their travel history, charge in their phone, and speed at which they are traveling. Now that you are all caught up, here is the plan. Before setting up a proxy, let's understand what a proxy is. Let's use the analogy of attendance proxy. People who are running late or not in a mood to attend the lectures will ask their buddies to provide them attendance proxies, right? In this sense, they are asking someone else to stand in for them. Similarly, in the world of computer networks, a network proxy acts as an intermediate. Instead of sending requests directly through the router, these requests are sent to the network proxy, which are then forwarded to the router. The response follows the same path. In the first scenario, there is no proxy involved. The mobile phone sends the packet directly to the router. The router then forwards the packet to the server, and the server sends the response back to the mobile phone in the same path. But when we consider proxy to be in the network, the mobile phone first sends its packet to the proxy, which then forwards the packets to the router. As the proxy is receiving all the traffic from the mobile phone, we can see all the requests made in burp suite. Now that you understood why we need a proxy, let's see how to set it up. We have to choose a common Wi-Fi to which we can connect both our laptop and mobile phone. Now I am going to open up burp suite and start a proxy listener. Connect your mobile phone to the same network. Once you have done it, you must be able to go to the website of the same IP address in which you have created your proxy listener using burp suite. Once you are into the website, try to download the CS certificate by pressing on the text provided on the top right corner of the website. Now you can go back to settings and you will be able to find a new section called Profiles Downloaded. Click Install and install the CS certificate. Once the installation is successful, go to the network to which you have connected and scroll down. You will be able to see a section called Configure Proxy. Once you click on Configure Proxy, you will be given 3 options. Choose Manual. You will be given 2 input fields, server and port. Fill up the IP and the port of the proxy listeners which you have created in burp suite. And done. Now you can see all the HTTP traffic that is going from the mobile phone into the network. As the app we are focusing on is Life360, I opened the app and here is the traffic that I was able to find in the burp suite. Well, these are all the targets I found. Too many, right? But, in these was a such target. Looking at this target, I was able to find one endpoint named locations, which used put method to send our coordinates to the server. This was the request and the response of that particular endpoint. We can clearly see that it is sending some base64 encoded data in X user context header. We can also see that it is sending other headers like authorization for authenticating the user. When we try to decode this base64 encoded data, we'll end up with a JSON object. Here we can see the beautified version of the JSON object, and in geolocation we'll be able to find two key value pairs called lon and lat. These are the longitude and latitudes of the user. Now that we found the endpoint which is responsible for sending our coordinates to the server, let's change the header values in the request and see what will happen in the response. Here I am changing my coordinates to 0 latitude and 0 longitude. Here I have redacted few of the headers because of security purposes. But when I change back all the headers to their correct values and send the request, this will happen. This means that we are successful in keeping our new coordinates to the server even though if they are false. To automate this, I have written a payload in Python, and here is the result. So let's see where in the world is the coordinate 0, 0. So if our execution is proper and we are successful in putting our new coordinates to the server, we must be able to see our location as null island in life360. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and
Sarakarai, Saraka, whatever.
okay.